let's go over the 22 reasons why a 360 Pro's custom virtual tour could be the better option for your business when stacked up against a Matterport 3D tour. Before we dive in, let's explain how both virtual tour deliverables are similar. With both 360 Pro's virtual tour and Matterport virtual tour, you'll get a URL for sharing and embedding, 360-degree panoramas, a 2D floor plan view, an optional 3D dollhouse view of your space, media tags with text and optional photos and videos, basic guided tour functionality, and standard virtual reality. Not bad, hey? Now that you're familiar with the similarities, stick around to discover the 22 reasons our custom virtual tour solutions could be the better choice for your business. Reason 1. Matterport tours have pop-up tags with images and hyperlinks, but 360 Pro's virtual tours have fully customizable hotspots, which can augment your space and its unique features exactly the way you want to show it. Not only can we add tags on top of your 360 imagery, but we can customize how these tags appear, from info icons to polygon shapes and even video animations. The options are endless. Then, the pop-up panel itself is fully customizable and branded to your exact colors, fonts, and styles. The second reason to choose our custom solution is that 360 Pro's virtual tours have virtual staging, which can be possible for Matterport tours as well, but only through a third-party system. With our virtual staging services, you won't lose time and money on continuity issues. The same goes for fully rendered imagery, which is produced in-house by 360 Pros. If you hire a Matterport service provider, you'll need to contract a third-party company to attempt to create a rendered virtual experience through the Matterport showcase. However, 360 Pros specializes in producing fully rendered virtual spaces which are not yet built. Our team of architectural visualizers and 3D modelers are available to take your 2D or 3D plans and virtually turn them into something that feels as real as being right there. A 360 Pro's custom tour could be the better choice over a Matterport tour because of guided tour limitations. With the 360 Pro's tour, we can develop a fully customizable guided tour which creates a more personalized experience for your user. Also, any action that you can take in the tour can be programmed to occur automatically through our autopilot feature. Ensure that your audience doesn't get lost by incorporating an integrated video tour guide or presenter that adds a personal touch and connection to your tour. Bring your tour to life in the most realistic sense possible with your own staff or spokesperson. We can even include props or bring functional elements of your space to life when it's an important feature of your product. The next reason is that 360 Pro's tours can have picture-in-picture videos and chatbot-style avatars to help answer any lingering questions your users may have. Our clients can choose between providing their own spokesperson, a staff member, a professional model from our catalog, or one of our AI avatars to do the heavy lifting. We are also able to provide you with either a custom analytics dashboard or a dedicated Google Analytics property to help you keep track of all the statistics that you may be curious about, like how many contact us clicks you get, or where your users are coming from. And not only does a 360 Pro's virtual tour help to showcase your space 24/7 online, but we'll be able to add your own personal flair to the tour. The customized virtual tour we deliver will be on brand, and our designers will share UI and UX design prototypes for easy collaboration along the way, while ensuring that we're all on the same page. The next reason for choosing 360 Pros to give your virtual tours the upper hand have to do with our ability to expand on what was actually captured. Firstly, we're able to touch up your 360 panoramas to ensure that your view is perfect, even if the shooting conditions were not. We can also add characters to your panoramas after the fact, and even animate movements to truly keep your users engaged and connected. Matterport tours can showcase the beautiful imagery of your space, but with a custom tour by 360 Pros, you can go above and beyond, literally. Our virtual tours combine imagery from inside and outside with drone-captured aerial 360s to give your audience the full picture. Not only can your customers instantly connect with your space and understand the context, but aerial imagery adds a huge wow factor to your digital experience. The next reason that a custom tour might be the better choice is that we also offer customized floor plans. This allows you to portray your space exactly how you want it, whether you need a simple black line plan as part of your UI or an interactive area map, which gives your audience more options when it comes to exploring your spaces. And beyond drone and panoramic views, we do 360 video and virtual reality too. If you think the virtual tour couldn't get more immersive, we're here to challenge you to think deeper. And by think deeper, we don't just stop at visuals. We have professionally recorded voiceover narrations to guide you, and if you thought that was immersive, we add background audio like music and ambient noise to experience every dimension of your world. And the sound design can be precisely integrated into specific aspects of your tour, allowing you to have full control of your audience experience in your space. And 360 Pro's virtual tours allow you to essentially create a multiversal 4D experience. We can construct before and after imagery from the same perspective to showcase the development of space throughout time. Similarly, this can allow you to showcase multiple options such as different color schemes or interior designs to really tailor your space for your client. And last but not least, any 360 Pro's virtual tour can be downloaded to play offline. Perfect for you to view on the go or somewhere remote, or with unreliable internet connection. Or if the tour contains sensitive information that you want to keep top secret, this is the way you can share the tour with who you want, when you want, without a sweat. As you can see, the virtual tours that 360 Pros delivers are fully customizable. If you can dream it, we can do it. If you have any questions about 360 Pros and how we can help share your space online 24/7, get in touch with us using the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.